earthquake is the perceptible shaking of the surface of the earth, which can be violent enough to destroy major buildings and kill thousands of people. The severity of the shaking can be barely felt or violent enough to toss people around. People often confuse earthquakes for Temenag gigs, but that's okay.
Yun ang tumba ba?
Kusog man ko kay linog, ma'am.
Ito laging linog.
Ay guys, so grabe guys, grabing damage sila guys, so pati ang hose. Pagit tumbag ito, tumbag ito guys. Butangan sa kuwan guys, so wala dito tumbag guys. Misan to ninyo ito guys. Tumba guys. Kung ano yung mga na-damage sila guys, oh. Grabe.